Good day, innovators. I hope you're enjoying and staying safe. My name is Nandini, and I am your weekly Positive Tech News correspondent. What does the human brain and a supercomputer have in common? Both contain billions of units speaking to each other through sparks of electrical charges, and both function in an almost mysterious but highly effective way, accomplishing unimaginable goals. However, humans are also not leaving any stones unturned, as they take help from technology to figure out what your very own supercomputer can or can't do. In today's episode, let's take a deep dive into innovations around the brain that will blow your mind. Your brain says it, the computer does it. How would you like to be the real-life Professor X? MIT Media Labs has created a small, non-invasive wearable device named Alter Ego that can now communicate with machines, computers, artificial intelligence, and tell them what to do. If you say, "Book me a cab to the airport," Alter Ego goes through the bone marrow conduction, looks at the brain areas that have lit up, and knows what to do. This tech brings a whole new era of friendship between humans and tech. This device is intended for those with speech disorders, paralysis-struck people like MS, ALS. But your brain thinks so many thoughts. I wonder how the machine would differentiate thoughts and actions. What if the machine acts on something that you didn't mean to say? Can a paralyzed patient walk? Is it odd to think about a paralyzed patient walking? With the help of IOTA Biosciences, it is well on its way to become true in the near future. Implantable neural devices called StimDust, the size of sand, can be created by IOTA Biosciences that can be spread throughout the body in the organs that are responsible for the treatment of particular disease. These microimplants, for now, can record and monitor the progress of the neurons. Among the many improvements they are doing, StimDust is also being worked to adjust the way neurons communicate so that proper nerves can be stimulated. For example, to make a bedridden patient walk. What if these implanted humans can run faster than cars? What would happen to our cars then? And would there be a different lane for implanted humans? Prosthetics that can now obey your mind. Do you know of people who have lost an arm or a leg in an accident or a tragic situation? What would you do if I told you that you could replace their limb with a lifelike artificial one? The Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, DARPA, has created the Luke arm, which can do more functions than a normal artificial prosthetic can. The best function of the arm is that the user can control their arm through their nervous system as the signals get transmitted via non-invasive methods. Scientists are trying to improve the prosthetics by using techniques to restore tactile sensation accompanied by a normal hand. What do you think this invention will give rise to? Maybe supervillains like Dr. Ock or superheroes like RoboCop? Innovation can be created with the smallest of supports. Avishkar can help. We can support our young innovators and creators achieve their dreams with robotic kits, coding equipment, and guidance. If this video inspired you, like, share, and subscribe. If you know of amazing stories on the positive effects of technology, head over to the Let's Avishkar Facebook group and tell us there. And I will see you again next Sunday.